how are you going? You must be going very well and doing your studies very nicely. So let's learn the new session of today's class, which is chapter number 10 of class first about water around us. So students, as we all are aware about water, that water is a kind of liquid which is very, very important for us. It is a very precious gift of nature to us, as all the living things are requiring water for their survival, right? So let us start with our chapter today. See, first of all, what they have given you, there is an animal, which is this elephant, and its name is Zumbo. What they're saying, that Zumbo is very thirsty. Zumbo क्या है? काफी thirsty है, यानी कि इसको प्यास लगी है. And what he is doing, it is trying to reach the pond. ये यहाँ पे एक pond है, यहाँ तक पहुँचने की कोशिश कर रहा है. You have to help him to find his way. Okay, so you can easily get this elephant or this Zumbo reach to the pond. So for that, you can take him to this route. Okay, like this, we can take the Zumbo easily to the water. Like this. Okay, now, so water is very important for life. Water क्या है? Life के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा important है, because we cannot live without water. हम सभी water के बिना survive नहीं कर सकते. No living being can survive without water. चाहे वो human beings हो, plants हो या फिर animals हो. Plants and animals are also living beings and they also need water. Okay, we use water for many purposes in our daily life. Let us find out. So अब हम इस water को अपनी daily life में different purposes के लिए use करते हैं. There are different uses of water. So now we are going to learn all of those uses. And the very first topic which we have is sources of water. Okay, so सबसे पहले हम water के different sources को discuss करेंगे कि यानी कि हमें water कहाँ से मिलता है. So students, we get water from different sources. पानी मिलने के जो source हैं वो different हैं. Like we have river, pond, lakes. Okay, and especially during the rainy season, यानी कि जब बारिश का season होता है, rainy season होता है, तो rain fills water bodies and therefore it is a main source of water. यानी कि बारिश के season में जब rainfall होता है, तो उस रेनफॉल के वाटर से जितनी भी वाटर बॉडीज हैं दे ऑल गेट फिल्ड अप एंड देयरफॉर वी कैन से कि रेन जो है सबसे मेन सोर्स है वाटर का ऑन द अर्थ. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीज वी हैव सम मोर सोर्सेज लाइक वेल, हैंड पंप, ट्यूबवेल्स. ये सब भी क्या है? वाटर के डिफरेंट सोर्सेज है. यू कैन सी देयर पिक्चर्स ऑल्सो. दिस इज रिवर, लेक, वेल, ट्यूबवेल, रेन. All these are different sources of water. Seas and oceans are two big sources of water, but its water is salty. We cannot drink seawater because it is not fit for drinking. So what they're saying कि seas and oceans ये क्या है? ये दो बड़ी बड़ी water bodies हैं अर्थ पर, लेकिन हम sea and ocean water को drink नहीं कर सकते because its water is salty, यानी कि इसका पानी salty है, नमकीन है, and it is very salty, and this salty water is not good for our health. Okay, about 70% of the earth surface is covered with water. अर्थ का around 75% surface जो है वो किससे covered है? water से covered है. Okay, now the next what we have is uses of water. Okay, so now for which purposes or for which activities do we use water? As I told you, we use water in our daily life for daily routine activities. Okay, all living things need water. We cannot live without water. सभी living things को water की requirement होती है. कोई भी living thing without water survive नहीं कर सकता. Why? Because we use water in many ways. Now, what are those different uses of water? First of all, we need water to drink. हमें पानी पीने के लिए पानी चाहिए, right? We use water for cooking, right? We use it to bathe also. Then we need water for plants. Plants को भी पानी water provide करने के लिए चाहिए होता है. Then we need water for washing clothes. Clothes wash करने के लिए हमें पानी चाहिए. For cleaning utensils, okay? And also for putting out a fire. Fire को put out करने के लिए भी हमें पानी की ज़रूरत होती है. So like this, these are the different uses of water in our daily life. Next, do's and don'ts of water usage. अब water के usage यानी कि जो आप water को use करते हैं उसके कुछ do's and don'ts हैं. First of all, we should drink clean water. हमेशा हमें साफ पानी पीना चाहिए. Okay, we must drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. अब हर रोज आपको minimum 8 to 10 glasses of water drink करना चाहिए for a healthy life. Third, water is precious, as I told you. So for that, we should never and ever waste water. Next, we must turn off the tap after use. पानी को use करने के बाद आपको हमेशा अपने tap को turn off करना चाहिए. We should not throw garbage into water bodies. Okay? हमें water bodies में garbage को throw नहीं करना चाहिए. And like this, we should not pollute the water. Then next we have what? Cleaning water. Now there are some measures of getting clean water. As I told you that we should always drink clean water. So for that, what do you have to do? See. So we should drink clean water because dirty water may make us ill. हमेशा आपको साफ पानी पीना है because dirty water यानी कि जो गंदा पानी होता है उससे हम बीमार पड़ सकते हैं. Okay, we can make water fit for drinking by boiling it. And पानी को जो fit बनाया जाता है, clean बनाया जाता है for the drinking purpose, उसके लिए कुछ methods हैं. And जो सबसे पहला method है जो बहुत common, cheap method है, easy method है, that is boiling. Why? Because boiling kills all the germs which are present in that water. पानी में जितने भी germs हैं सभी को kill कर दिया जाता है by boiling. So आप इस तरीके से water को clean कर सकते हैं by boiling. Then we have filters and water purifiers also which can clean and purify water. इस तरीके से हमारे पास अब water purifier and filters भी हैं हमारे homes में जिन्हें commonly water को clean and purify करने के लिए use किया जाता है. Next, we have the concept of saving water. So when it rains, fill your buckets, drums and tanks with water and you can use this water for bathing, washing, cleaning and watering plants. So students, जब बारिश होती है तो आप उस रेन वाटर को यानी कि बारिश के पानी को क्या कर सकते हो अपने buckets, ड्रम या टैंक्स में फिल करके रख सकते हैं. Okay, and उसके बाद इस वाटर का यूज़ किया जा सकता है for bathing, washing, cleaning and watering plants also. To avoid wastage of water, take only as much water in your glass as it is needed. And इसके अलावा water के wastage को avoid करने के लिए आपको हमेशा glass में भी उतना ही पानी लेना है जितना आप पी सकते हैं, जितनी आपको requirement है. Why? As I told you that water is precious. Water क्या है? काफ़ी precious है and we must save every drop of it. इसीलिए हमें water की हर एक drop को save करना चाहिए. Okay, so that's all for today's class. I hope you must have understood the importance, the uses and the sources of water. And now we all are going to save water as we have discussed that water is precious, water is life. Let's meet in the next session with a new and exciting topic. Till then, keep going well and thanks to everyone.